video link. ठीक? Full stop. We note that the respondent number 1 who had filed the petition, एक petition थी, मखदूम साहब एक petition थी?
Yes, madam.
Who had approached this court was represented through a number of counsel, Haris Ahmed. Full stop. We inquired from the advocate, the respondent number 2. We inquired from the counsel representing. आप counsel हैं या office holder हैं? आपसे पूछ रहे हैं. हाँ.
I am additional prosecutor general.
We inquired from the additional prosecutor general of the National Accountability Bureau (bracket में कर दें NAB) whether he is supporting the appeals or opposing it, and he stated that NAB is supporting the appeals. Correct? Full stop. Notices had also been issued to the Advocate Generals of the provinces, and except the Advocate General of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, the other Advocate General to TWO support the appeals. Full stop. Since to ensure that the matter is attended, that to ensure a proper hearing, and as respondent number 1 wants to address in person, we think it appropriate to issue notice to Learned Senior Counsel Khwaja Haris Ahmed.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।